Hey friends, today we're talking about torticollis. This is one of the most common issues I see in the clinic, so if you're not familiar with it, buckle up because there's a lot to know. So first off, what is it? Well, there's two types of torticollis. One is in adults, which, whatever, who cares, we're here to talk babies. The other is congenital torticollis, which, as you can guess, is from birth. And torticollis basically is a scary term for a tight muscle in your neck. So the muscle that's usually involved is this guy right here. I don't know if you can see it, but this is called your sternocleidomastoid muscle. And it goes from this little bone behind your ear down to the medial part of your collarbone. So as you can see, it follows this diagonal path along the side of your neck. So from here to here, if it gets tight, you're gonna get a rotation to the opposite side of the tight muscle and a side bend towards the same side of the tight muscle. So if you have a little one who is constantly or very frequently in this position, then that might be your problem. So why do we not want this? Why is it bad? Well, first and foremost, it can make breastfeeding a challenge. In fact, I get a number of referrals from lactation specialists saying that the latch is fine, their baby's feeding, but they have a hard time going from one side to the other because obviously they're having a hard time turning their head to one side over the other. Another reason is just environmental awareness. If you have a baby who's always turning their head to one side, they're only going to be aware of what's on that side, including their body. So you may see them being more active with their arm and leg on the preferred side, and you'll see kind of a neglect of their non-preferred side. And last but not least, head shape is an issue. If your kiddo is always turning to one side, and if you're doing back to sleep, which you should, you can start seeing a flat spot develop on the back of their head. This is called plagiocephaly, and this is something that you want to treat right away or prevent because it can be pretty tricky and annoying to treat later on. So stay tuned. I'm going to have a few interventions and strategies that you can try to combat torticollis or prevent it. Hope this helps.